Hi everyone, I just got a package from Concrete Minerals and I will open this for you. So for all the makeup gurus and YouTube makeup artists that are now famous and whatnot, you should go and get one of these packages. I ordered a sticker with it. Zombie sticker. It's pretty. So this is what we got. Came with 4 colors. Let's check them out. This one is Zealous. Can't see that. Or is that upside down? That's right. I'm not gonna open it, but it's a really cool blue color. This one is Unity. Very nice. And it's like a purpley color. This one is Sabotage. And it's like a really cool black shimmer. We'll be checking that out later. This one is Arsenic. It's red. Cool color, looks burnt. I like it. What else was... We got 2 samples of Vegas and Hustle. So we'll be trying those out. I also got more makeups that we should try out, and I will be showing it to you guys in another video. This has been my opening of Concrete Minerals. Check them out. They have awesome colors.